Hello guys, Kavyus, welcome back to Bimoto channel. In this video, I will show you two ways of PINIA implementations. The first one is option stores. This is for Vue 2, and it says here that similar to Vue's options API. We all know that options API is a Vue 2. Um, it is the structure of this option stores is similar with the Vuex. So in Vuex, we have state, actions, getters, and mutations. But here in PINIA, the mutations actually remove. You can only have state, actions, and getters. And then the second one is set up stores. Um, if you're using Vue 3 or Composition API, this one is best for you. I highly recommended using setup stores than traditional Vuex options store. So this one is good or better because Vuex is actually deprecated in Vue 3. Then as you can see in the code structure, um, you can use the hooks of Vue 3, ref, and then the uh, computed as well. In setup stores, refs become state properties, computed becomes getters, and then the functions becomes actions. The mutation is actually gone. This is what you need to familiarize if you are going to integrate PINIA in your Vue 3 composition API application. So now let's dive into the code. Let's open the terminal VS Code. As you can see, this is the traditional Vuex structure, which is the options store. Now we are going to test this one. We have built already a login page so that we can test the Pinia in our Vue 3 application. So let's go to the UI or user interface of our application. Let's click the login button. And then as you can see, the data response from the server is appeared here. Now let's go back to our Pinia. This is the console log that appeared here in our console browser. So it's working. The data from the login component as if the HTTP status code is 200, it will trigger this set profile function here in our Pinia. Yeah. So this is how I use the auth store Pinia in our login component. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to import the auth store and then set the auth store into a constant store. And then to trigger all or call the set profile here in our actions, just store that set profile and then the argument. And then one more thing, persist means that if you want to save the data in your local storage, just add persist through. The option store has been done or the traditional Vuex. Now we are going to implement the setup store. So let's comment this line of codes. So let's make this video really quick. So I'm going to paste the setup store. As you can see, the structure of our setup store is like or similar to Composition API Vue 3. Now we have the persist here in the second parameter. If you don't like to save your data in your local storage, just remove this persist. But for now, I'm going to use the persist because we are setting up our profile. And then let's test this one. Let's click the login button. Now, as you can see, the data response from the server is the same as what we have here in It's the same as what we have earlier in Vuex traditional or options store. This is working as well. So these are the two ways on how implement the PINIA in your Vue 3 composition API application. So guys, Kabus, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel so that you will be notified for the next videos that we are going to upload.